Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, we'll explore the exciting journey of transitioning to an AI specialized information security analyst role. We'll cover the essential skills you need, the best training resources, and practical steps to make this career shift smoothly. Let's dive in. By becoming an AI specialized information security analyst, you can future proof your skills in an ever evolving tech landscape. This specialization opens up more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals adept in AI. Additionally, those with AI expertise often command higher salaries thanks to their enhanced efficiency and productivity. You'll also gain the ability to leverage AI tools to predict and mitigate security threats more effectively and stay ahead in a competitive job market. Embrace this career path to secure a dynamic and rewarding future. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program to help you become an AI-specialized information security analyst. With AI developments advancing rapidly, we ensure you stay updated on the latest innovations relevant to information security. Enhance your expertise and stay ahead in this fast-paced field. Our AI video training programs feature the latest prompt courses tailored for information security analysts. Leverage our custom GPTs designed for specialized tasks and explore a curated selection of AI tools. At Complete AI Training, we provide everything you need to excel as an AI specialized information security analyst. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for Information Security Analysts. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert information security analyst. You can start a 3-day trial today.